got to Lake Tahoe. About to ride some pit bikes on that track. That was the slowest.
My jacket, work hard, I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Guys came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I need my hands though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, but I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shoot, dirty like Curry.
Bruh, riding out here, that's not like riding on flat pavement. I don't even know what I'm doing.
2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, saying cool true story. Niggas fast, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but the niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, trying to steal my glory. They going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. I can down them with the berry and sweater. Off-white kicks out, I'm matching, I'm clever. Fuck up price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, niggas send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend the bag, don't see me my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix it like a cheddar. Give a fuck about a nigga, I never. I give a fuck about a nigga, I never. Saucy nigga, mix it like a cheddar. Spend the bag, don't take no cheddar.
Got a nice view up here. Oh my god, I forgot I had a helmet on. After this, we're gonna hit a track with some jumps, which should be fun. I've never hit jump. I mean, I've never even ridden a dirt bike really, but these little mini bikes is what I'm starting off at. So we're gonna try to jump them and see what happens.
Yeah. Ayo, Stacks, run it up. I gotta give me a bag, steady to put cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch. Can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag. That shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with. I grew up in Brooklyn, left right, I keep looking. If the ops come, then we get to bucking. So sad that my youngest stay shook. Get a bag, we don't play with a plug. Made a slap, now they all wanna hug. If you ask, yeah, I do the dash, yeah. Got money bags, yeah. For the ones that they took, I know that I'm good, ayy. Straight face and I look. They say that budget is in my outlook, yeah. Hot mail, we gon' post bail when that ship sail, oh yeah. I pop tags, that's my swag, don't get mad, go there.
Alright, we just got to the sand pit, which is like a little, actually it looks kind of big dirt bike track. So yeah, we're gonna take the mini bikes on these and see what happens.
Cause you know I do it, dog. Put the money in the safe, I'm spend it all on my
shit feel like I got kicked in the balls.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.